Ready to try OPA by yourself? Let's install it locally and run our very first policy check. As a part of Git repository of OPA, we can download whatever the release that we wanted. We can get into the latest release. As of now, the latest release is 1.9.0 and it's available for various operating systems. Whatever the one that is applicable for the operating system that you are working with, you can download. I am using Windows operating system, so I'm going to download the Windows AMD exe file. Once that is downloaded, you can keep the same name or keep it short so that you can use it very easily. I renamed it as opa.exe. On execution, it's going to give various options to execute. I can check the version using the command version, as well as there are a lot other options. The basic thing, we can make it to execute in the interactive mode or in the evaluation mode or as a server. Just to make sure whether the execution is perfect or not, we can run that as a interactive mode using the command run, and I can make it to run in the server mode with the option -yes. That's going to expose in the port localhost 8181. When you are accessing it with the localhost 8181, here you can provide the query, the input data, and check how it is getting evaluated. The same way, we can evaluate the query through the command prompt itself using .opa eval and then the query string. For test purpose, I am going to provide 1 plus 2. It's going to provide the response in the JSON format with the evaluated result and what was the additional information that will be useful and how it was evaluated. With this, we can confirm the OPA is installed and it is ready within the system to test and evaluate or even integrate with other systems as well.